Ncraze Tiles and Bathware Company Profile. Ncraze Tiles and Bathware is a leading Indian manufacturer and exporter of all type of tiles and bathware since 2009. Ncraze is Star Export House awarded by Government of India. We are exporting goods to 28 plus countries across the world. Ncraze having headquarter and manufacturing facility at Morbi city in India, which is known as Ceramic Hub of India. We have wide range of tiles like porcelain tiles, slab tiles, full body tiles, ceramic tiles, wall tiles, wooden plank tiles, step and riser tiles, mosaic tiles, etc. We offer more than 80 different surfaces on tiles. Glossy, polished, matte, high glossy, carven, super high glossy, super white, etc. We have ultra-modern Italian and German machinery to produce high-quality durable tiles and slabs. We are pioneer in bathware products like art basin, ceramic sanitary wares, CP fittings, kitchen sink, bathroom accessories, etc. We have professional quality checking team which testing every parameter according to the international standards. We pack cargo with all safety. We also offer OEM service if required. We have strong tie-up with shipping lines to get smooth custom clearance and competitive freights. Our logistics department will help you to deliver containers at your seaport in short time. Join hands with us to explore unlimited possibility of made in India tiles and bathware items. Thanks for watching.